baby, and you're parked alone on a summer night. You're deep in love, but you're deeper in the woods. You think you're doing alright. Did you hear that voice? Did you see that face? Or was it just a dream? This can't be real, that only happens, babe, on the movie screen. Oh, but he's back. He's the man behind the mask, and he's out of control. He's back. The man behind the mask, and he crawled out of his home. You're swimming with your girl out on Lover's Lake, and the wind blows cold. It chills your bones, but you're still on the make. That's a bad mistake. But the moon was full, and you had a chance to be all alone. But you're not alone. This is your last dance and your last romance. Yeah, 'cause he's back. He's the man behind the mask, and he's out of control. He's back. The man behind the mask, and he crawled out of his home. Oh, if you see him come and get away if you can, just keep on running, run as fast as you can. He's a dangerous, dangerous man, and he's out tonight, and he's watching you, and he knows your house. No, don't turn out the lights. Yeah, 'cause he's back. He's the man behind the mask, and he's out of control. He's back. The man behind the mask.
He's back. He's back. He's back. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Where's my thing at? What's poppin', chat? We're back. Where'd I go? You know, nobody knows. $1 million question, baby. You know how we do. You know how we do. We're back. Where the fuck is my chart at? No charts today. We're reading just the numbers today, chat. Just reading the numbers. How y'all doing? How y'all living? Who's living good? Who's living bad? We're back. He's back. Dude, I swear to God, sometimes technology, man. I can't do everything, chat. I can't do it all, man. I can't do everything. Help me, help you. I got to get this working here. Well, what's good? We're back. Another day, another dollar. Iceland was fun. You know how we do. We know how we do here. We're back. Back. He's back. Why does this not work? Come on, come on, come. Oh, there's something. What is that chart? Oh, I think that might be the one. He's back. All right, all right, all right. Take a look. Take a look at it. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Got. We are back. You need some music up in here. Do-do-do-do-do-do. If you're just now tuning in, good morning, good morning. We're back. We got 100. That's right, 100. 100 Apex evaluations to give away today. Ooh, buddy. You know, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I don't know about you guys, but that's a lot of accounts. That's right. We're giving them all away to you guys today. What we got here? How y'all living? Y'all miss me? Just tell me you miss me so that way I feel good about myself, you know? Tell me that you miss me. You're happy I'm back, and we'll get it. We'll get it going here. We'll get it going. All right, let me trying to find some music here. There we go. There we go. Throwbacks. All right, look at the Nasdaq right now, pushing up there off the 21,060s. Oh, buddy. Got the ES, the Nasdaq, this morning making moves. That's right, we're making moves. Good morning. Oh, God. Wrong thing. All right, now we're back. I got to adjust this real quickly. Little pushback up here on the ES right now. We got the Nasdaq, the ES, making moves this morning. Yesterday, what a wild day yesterday. Who made some money yesterday? Anybody? That was wild. I made $30,000 flying home at the airport. Yeah, you know how we do. You know how we do, baby. Be living. We just out here living. All right, Nasdaq right now are ripping back to the upside here. Had some good news this morning, possibly, with the, all the stuff going on in the world right now. I guess the House passed the big, beautiful bill as well, or I believe the House passed it. So that's going to the Senate next, and we're getting ready for market open. Getting ready for market open. Let's see what happens. Good morning. Jobless claims better than expected. You gotta love that. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. We're back. All right. So, what do we got here? We got the ES right now. That's the NQ. What is my chart? These charts are getting all kinds of weird. This is the NQ right now, 15-minute chart, pushing up there off of the lows right now. You got the gap from yesterday. Yesterday's close there at the 21,156 overnight kind of built out a bear flag. And we sold off here this morning. Will there be some buyers down here? Will we get a little pushback up after all that selling pressure yesterday? Hey, anything's possible, my friends. It ain't over till it's over. Well, it hasn't even begun yet. It hasn't even begun yet, if you know what I mean. Right? It hasn't even begun. Right now, the Nasdaq pushing back up there, 21,118s. All right. Look at the W. The market's like, he's back. Patrick Wieland, W's on the chart. He's back. All right, Nasdaq right now, push back up there to the 120s. 15-minute chart we just looked at. Kind of took out that high of that last previous 15-minute candle, and then yesterday's close there at the 21,150s now. So 21,150s. 5-minute chart, little push back up there as well, kind of above that little high. So let's see if we find some resistance here. Do we push through this resistance? Can we go higher today? Can we go down, up, all around right now? Nasdaq pushing up here. We'll see what happens once market opens up this morning. Good morning. Welcome back. Greg Abbott in Texas just signed a bill for no capital gains in Texas. How does that work? I mean, I'm about it. I don't want to pay them capital gains. Does that mean I got to live in Texas, or can I buy a little house in Texas and then claim that I'm a Texas resident? $1 million question. That's what I want to know. Okay, somebody needs to explain this to me. State imposed. Oh, did they have capital gains? State imposed capital gains before? Yeah, I know. I saw that there was news yesterday. Robert DeSantis, the governor in Florida, passing a bill to make it more Make it more bad. More consequences if you, for swatting, so. Don't go swatting, kids. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't be a swatter. You're gonna get in trouble. It's a felony. Whoever swatted me is sitting there right now going, oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, they're gonna get me, he said, they think. Or they said. Don't do it, kids. They're trying to get rid of property taxes in Florida. Yeah, I heard about that. Now, that is, you know, I can get behind that, if you know what I mean. I can definitely get behind that. No property taxes in Florida. I'd be all about that life. I'd be all about that life. And by the way, today we got the giveaway. We're doing 100 accounts. I know, it sounds crazy, right? But 100 people today are going to get a free Apex account. Any size account. That's right, any fucking size. Not one size, not two size, any size. Ooh. I mean, that's a pretty big deal, I feel like. I don't know about you guys, but that's a pretty freaking sick deal. You know how I do. I just try to hook up all my homies. If I could, I'd give away 10,000 free accounts, but you know, I don't think I could get 10,000. We did give away 100 or 1,000 one time, but it didn't really work out as well. But yeah, right now, Apex, you can sign up at the onlyprofirms.com website. There's a little link there in the chat as well. And we'll be giving away 50 accounts at 10 o'clock. And we're giving away 50 accounts at 10:30. So you got to stay tuned. Stay tuned, my friends. Because, well, that's how you got to win here today. Win, win, win. I said win. Win, 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 win. Fuck everything else and win. Ben Highland, if you win a giveaway, is it all free? Well, I think it's free. How about those Florida Panthers? How about them Florida Panthers? Where are the hockey fans at? We got any hockey fans in the chat? You know? Who are the hockey fans at? We got any hockey fans here? Anybody excited about the Stanley Cup? Stanley Cup. All right, Nasdaq right now pushing back up there. She's going. John said he lives in Arizona. He don't know about no ice. Well, John, you better learn about that ice, boy. It makes your drinks cold. Especially in Arizona. All right, Nasdaq right now pushing back up there to yesterday's close. We got yesterday's close, that dotted line. Big sell-off yesterday with the bond market. So the bond market had an auction yesterday. 20-year yield went above 5%. They were selling above 5%. So that's a very, very bad thing for the stock market because, well, people would just go and buy the bonds to get 5% over I think it was a two-year yield or a 20-year. I don't fucking know, man. It's one of those. I don't know anything about bonds. All I know is there was a bond auction yesterday, and it didn't go very well. So people are not happy with. They want more. They want more interest on those bonds. So right now we're getting ready. Market open right now. Right now. How was Iceland? You know what's funny about Iceland? There ain't no ice in Iceland. It's very true. But I found out why. Now, see, I know why now. I know why Iceland is Iceland. You know, I know the little story behind it. So back in the day, the original Vikings, basically, they called Iceland, and then they had Greenland, right? I know, it sounds crazy. So Greenland is actually covered in ice. And then Iceland is actually green. So the reason that they called Iceland, it was to basically confuse traders or other countries from trying to invade Iceland. because the other countries or the other warriors or whatever it was, they would go to Greenland instead of Iceland. When they got to Greenland, they would find out that there was nothing but ice there, and they end up dying because it was freezing cold. There was no supplies, no way to survive. So basically, Iceland is named Iceland because the Vikings were basically tricking people. Bro, this is elementary. Hey, bro, go fuck yourself. I ain't got no time for no bullshit today, chat. I've been away for too long. I got no time for your bullshit. Don't be trying to come at me right now. This guy. It's elementary. Well, nobody taught me this in elementary, okay? Or at least maybe they did teach me, but I don't fucking remember because I've made so much money and it's hard. It's hard to remember everything, you know? The money, it's like this. Hello? Hello? Is that money? Is that money? You know, it's just hard. Hard to remember this stuff. Fucking, who the fuck remembers elementary school? Back when I was in elementary school, my teacher told me that a koala bee is a lot like a kangaroo. Oh, okay, good to know, good to know. I thought Iceland was cold. Well, normally Iceland is cold, but when I went there, it was the hottest that it's been in years. Sunny, not a cloud in the sky, no rain. It was crazy. Absolutely crazy. Man, right now the Nasdaq is kind of ripping back up here right now. We took out yesterday's low already. We're right back up there to yesterday's close now. So yesterday's low was that 72 level. We popped right back up kind of after taking out that level now, and we're back up to that dotted line. If we look at the bigger picture right now on the hourly chart, we had that overnight kind of bear flag. We broke the low. We took out yesterday's low, and now the question is, we had job reports this morning, jobless reports. We've got more numbers coming as well. Yeah, that's right. I know. You're going to be like, what more? How do I find out, Patrick? How do I know if there's more numbers coming? Don't you worry. Head on over there to onlyprofitfirms.com. Check out the calendar. We got the 9:45 news, and then we got 10 o'clock news. That's a lot. That's three that's back to back. We had the jobless reports, we had S&P Global PMI news, and existing home sales at 10 o'clock. So we should get some volatility, baby. Some volatility here in the market today. Yesterday was just insane. Absolutely insane price action yesterday. I don't know if you guys saw it, but we had that beautiful move up. Big move up, right? Big move up. Right? There's a big move up yesterday. It just kind of broke to the upside, 15-minute range breakout. We broke there, we pushed, and then straight back down after that bond auction. So the bond auction happened. It wasn't good news. Stocks sold off, and we dumped from 458 down there to the 200. So about a 200-point move in 15 minutes. It was just a absolute murder fest. And the crazy part was I was trading yesterday at the airport on my phone, Hey, if the market's moving, it's easy to make money. If I don't know about you guys, but it's easy to make money if the market's moving. The problem is when the market's not moving. That's when shit gets wild. That's when it gets crazy. So you can see here yesterday, locking in some nice little profits there. At one point, I was up like 22,000, and then here up 31,000 there, trading while flying home from Iceland. Hey, I paid for my entire vacation on the way home from vacation. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's a fucking flex. That's a serious fucking flex right there, my friends. That's pretty fucking serious right there. You go on a vacation, on the way home from vacation, you make enough money to pay for the vacation. Hey, it's like a fugazi. Nobody knows. It goes up, it goes down, Hey, here we are, BDH, baby. We're doing it live at the BDH. All right. Like I said, we got 100. That's right. I'm not joking. We have 100, guys. 100 freaking accounts to give away today. It's a lot of accounts, but we're going to do it. It's really simple and really easy to sign up. We got one account per 100 people. And all you have to do is go over there to onlyprofitfirms.com website, sign up for the thing, sign up. We're going to pick out the winners. We'll announce the first 50 winners at 10:30. We'll send out an email at 10 o'clock announcing those winners. You'll have a code in the email to get your free Apex account. It can be any size account. Any size. Any size you want. You want the 300K. You want the 50K. You want the 150K. We got it, baby. We got it. Any size, any place, any way. You know how we do. That's right. That's right. That's right. PW code's not given 80% at Apex. Is it not? Is Apex not on sale right now? Uh-oh. 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 It must, yeah, I guess it's not 80% off right now. Whoopsie daisies. Whoopsie daisies. It's 50% right now. Sorry. I gotta change that. Nobody informed me that the sale, I've been gone. I've been gone, you know, I'm back. Hey, give me some time, you know? Give me a little bit of time here, you know? Give me just a little bit of time, chat. Don't be so mean. Let's see if this one's better. I don't know. I don't know, I gotta talk to my graphics guy. Freaking graphics guy, man. I don't even know how to change that. We'll do that for now. There's a code there. What's that thing bouncing around for? PW. Oh, God. Oh, it's on the bottom there. Oh, that gets a little crazy there. On the bottom, just moving around there for the whole time. Use code PW. Use code. Oh, God. Oh, God. Maybe if I turn off the loop, it won't be so bad. All right. We're getting ready. Market open here. Right now, the Nasdaq just right. Look at this thing ripping back up here on the hourly candle. 2-minute chart from the lows. That's 100 points so far. Just right back up. Talk about volatility. We're going to get some volatility today. That's right. Some volatility. It's coming. If y'all know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Banana. All right. I came back last night. We got back about 6 o'clock yesterday. It was so weird because in Iceland, it's never dark. Y'all know that? Like, well, during the summertime at least. So in Iceland, it was literally sunny basically for the whole time while I was in Iceland. It was really hard to go to sleep at night, to be honest. I couldn't go to sleep. I couldn't go to sleep, chat. God, I gotta change that too. I haven't been around in a while. I gotta change all these stream thingies. All right, now we're good. All right, so the ES also pushing back up there to yesterday's close. That dotted line is the previous day close. How to sign up for the giveaway? Well, onlypropfirms.com. Sign up. Sign up. Sign up. Sign up. Right now, the Nasdaq back up there towards yesterday's close, that dotted line. So we'll see what happens. Market opens. Oh, this is where's that thing at? Oh. Already getting a lot of volatility this morning. The Nasdaq up, it's down, it's all around. 15-minute chart. We had that bear flag overnight. It played out. We took out the previous day close. Now the question is, what do we do from here? You know? What do we do from here now? Do we chop around? Do we push back up? Can't register because it doesn't let me put my phone number in. Oh, God. These giveaways, man. Did Nutty Bar get moved into the BDH while you're gone? I don't think so. I haven't seen him. I have not seen him. Hello? Nutty Bar, are you here? Nutty Bar? Nutty Bar? Nutty Bar? No, he's not here. He's not. I don't think he moved in. I don't think so. Fucking A. Look at this thing right now. It's absolutely ripping back up. Nasdaq, come on. Don't do this before the market opens. Don't do this before the market opens, man. Still just going higher. Crazy. All right, like I said earlier, we got news today. We got news. Got news. Someone said that Tradeify TV is my new competition. Get the fuck out of here. I got no competition. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Competition. Get out of here. There can only be one. Did you pee in the Blue Lagoon? Slade. I tell you one better. I had sex in the Blue Lagoon. That's right. Patrick Wieland went to Iceland and I conquered. I had my own private Blue Lagoon suite. Someone said my views are down. I normally don't start streaming until after 9 a.m. and I haven't streamed for 4 days. Relax, chat. God, relax. Relax. Somebody told me that they watched Trades by Matt the other day and he had to quit the live stream early because of allergies. Don't worry, chat. Even if I'm fucking dying, like let's say I'm like gushing blood, you know, I'm like bleeding out of my butthole, I would not quit this stream. I will keep it going no matter what. I'll die on this motherfucker. I'll die on this motherfucker. I'll die for you. Alan, PW, did you miss us? Well, I did, but we'll see if I miss you after this stream today. We'll see if I still miss you once the stream's over, you know? Once the stream's over, we'll see if I still miss you. What broker do you use for your personal account? I use Optimus Futures. Oh my God, Nasdaq. Look at this thing. What is Nasdaq doing right now? It's on crack. Like, what do you? What am I gonna do here? It just keeps going higher. No pullback, just straight back up. Just straight back up now. Just straight back up. We still got plenty of time. We got a lot of numbers today, by the way. We got numbers. We got numbers at 9:45. We got numbers at 10 o'clock. Oh, Nasdaq. Why? What? Look at that. Still going. Still going up. Did anybody get long at the fucking bottom? That would have... Why'd you not get long down there, chat? Why'd you not get long at 21,050? Ha! Why not? I told you so. I told you so. I haven't heard the phrase "I told you so" in about 7 days, and I'm pretty happy for it. I can't wait to see it over and over today. You know, it's always fun to be reminded. I told you so. I told you so. All right, Nasdaq. What a move. Yesterday, big move down. So far this morning, massive move back up here after dipping down there and taking out yesterday's low. So, okay. That hourly candle right now just opened up. We broke above the previous, obviously, opening up there. Pushing up right now, 21,200. After that, you've got this high on that candle up there, 21,246s. I might not be a betting man, but I mean, it looks like it wants to go. Let's see how she plays today. Patience, patience, patience. Like always, just need a little bit of patience. Right now, the ES here pushing up there above yesterday's close as well. ES looking a little weaker than the Nasdaq. But, hey, you know how that goes. Got plenty of time here. Plenty of time till market opens. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. Someone said, I love you, Pat. Damn, I love you too. I love you. No, you love me. We can be a happy family. All right. What's the play here? What's the play? What's the play, chat? What's the play? If we get a pullback, can we get a pullback here? Pullback maybe, you know, down to that 21 EMA again would be nice. I took a little short here in my Tradeify account just for like a quick 10 points there earlier. We're up $900 right now. We'll see if we can get a pullback here to kind of build out a bull flag for that next move higher possibly. But right now, just being patient. Wait for a pullback to the VWAP. Where the fuck's the VWAP at? Why do I not have the VWAP? My charts. Somebody messing my charts, man. Where is the VWAP? Looking for the VWAP. Anybody got the VWAP? VWAP. Urban Outfitters up 17% today. What the fuck? Why is Urban Outfitters up so much? What kind of news is going on? Who the Urban Outfitters? They're making so much fucking money. Who's been to Urban Outfitters? Don't take your girlfriend there. They will make you go broke real quick. The craziest thing is, the funniest thing about like those kind of places, I'll go there like Victoria or something, you know, they'll be like, okay, everybody, here's an armband, right? Look at this little armband. It's made out of tissue paper. You can buy it for only $100. You're like, what? $100? Like, yes, it's a special band. Special band. Can you make a trade of 8 tutorial? I could, but should I? There's a lot of them out there already, honestly. I don't really need to. I probably should make one just so I can, you know, make more money, but honestly, like you can just Google it. There's so many like different tutorials out there by now. Probably not the best thing to say, you know, like, hey, yeah, you could just watch somebody else's videos, but like, just being honest with you. Left lane car reviews. He's back. Oh, I never left, baby. I never left. Daddy never left. All right, Nasdaq. Little pullback here. Little bully flag. Bully booty. Bully booty. I took a little trade right there. I wasn't going to tell you guys. Secret. I'll tell you later, but right now, took a little trade there. Little trade. Just a little trade, you know, just to get my little Little trade in there. What the fuck is this thing going across the screen? I don't even know. Took that breakout over that previous high. There, it's still going higher. But from the 209s now. Oh my god, it's still. Oh god. Oh, it's still going. But yeah, that was kind of a very little minor pullback. Took 10 points there. Just in and out to get that right there. So poppity pop. I'm looking at maybe getting a new car. Let's see what you guys think, chat. What do y'all think? I'll show you. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. All right, I'll show you. I'll show you real quick before the market opens here. No rush, no rush. So I'm looking at maybe getting two cars, actually. I'm not sure. You know, I've been thinking about getting an older car. You know, getting just an older car. Something like this. 1977 Porsche. All, you know, all done up, looking all pretty and sexy. Something a little different, you know, different vibe. Is kind of what I'm thinking. Look at that thing. Air-cooled. Looking all wild and crazy. I don't know. I think it'd be cool. Be something different, right? Because right now I have, you know, I have my, I got the McLaren, I got the Lambo, I got the Mustang, but I don't have anything like this, you know, classy, beautiful, you know, classy, beautiful. I think it's sick, right? I think it's sick. I don't know. I got the McLaren already. I got the fucking, you know, $500,000 McLaren. So I'm like, let's go bigger. Let's go bigger. Don't buy a 930 unless it's had a conversion. Don't you worry, chat. If you look right here, this engine has been built. It's actually a 4.0 conversion. Where's the guy that said don't buy the 930? Do you think I'd be okay with that? It was also built in Japan as well. So, buy a used Bentley. I don't know. Bro, buy an NSX. Bro. Bro. How about I just buy everything? I'll buy everything. Buy it, bro. Are you so long till now? I wish I was long until now. All right, we need maybe a little bit of a pullback. We got yesterday's close right there, 21,156s. Big move up after this big move down. Just a full V shape. Wee. Now where do we go from here? The $1 million question. Look at the hourly chart right now. That hourly candle just right back up there, but it's not like a fully engulfing candle, but I mean, that's still 200 points or so back up. Time for an airplane. Oh, God. I don't know if I need an airplane, to be honest. Honestly, I might never travel ever again. I told Victoria, you know, traveling just ain't for me. I've already done it. I've traveled all over the world. I've seen everything, right? I've done everything. So now, what am I going to do? I'm going to just sit on my back porch and just watch the sunset every day. Just living. I remember when I was a kid and my dad, you know, I'd tell my dad, I'd be like, Dad, let's go do something. Dad, let's do something. His response was like, I ain't doing shit. I'm gonna sit right here on my porch and do nothing. And I'm like, damn. But now I respect that. Now I'm like, damn, you know, like I wish that was me. You know, I want to get to that level. I want to get to that level, chat. Just do nothing, you know, just peace of mind. Like, hey, I've already done everything, so what am I gonna do now? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Buy some properties. Guys, hey, you know, you ever saw that? You ever see that video? You ever seen that video of Kanye West? Who's seen that video of Kanye West? You'd already know. You know what I mean? You already know. Who knows it? You know, there's whenever somebody tells me what I should do, you know, whenever somebody tells me I should do, you know, I do this right here. I just think about this video right here.
How much money are you worth?
Not as much as you, sadly.
Exactly. So take my advice. Maybe you'll get richer.
I would love to take your business advice.
Why would I listen to you?
Why would I listen to you?
Why don't you hear what my advice is and then work out if I'm wrong? Can we?
You know? Why would I take your advice? Why would I take advice from someone with less money than me? You know? You know? It just makes no sense. Don't take advice from people with less money than you. Buy a Tesla and put a GT500 engine in it. That would be the worst idea in the entire world. I don't even like the looks of Teslas. You know, they look like I guess they look like EVs. I don't know. Why do electric cars always look so bad? Like, why not make electric cars look cool? You know, like that's the question. Like, why not? Why couldn't they make electric cars look cool? Like that, you know, be like, hey, make a cool looking electric car. You know. Do you see any ice bear? No ice bear. No ice bears. You mean a polar bear? Yeah, someone in the chat said, don't piss off PW. Hell, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right, we got about 17 minutes till market open right now. The Nasdaq, the ES just sold off this morning and then popped straight back up. Yesterday, we had the bond market news. Is that bond market news, is it enough to send us lower? You know? You know, that's the question. Like, is it enough to send it lower? So, we'll see what happens. Bond market. Anybody get that drop yesterday, 2 o'clock? Anybody? Anybody? I got it. You know, I got it. I got it while I was in the airport. In the airport, chat. You know, some of these YouTubers, they can't even make money when they're at their house with every computer and every single fucking indicator in the world. I was at the airport trading on my phone and I still made money. It's like, how is he so good? You know, how? How does he do it? I don't know. It's $1 million question. Look at this, $31,000 yesterday while sitting at the airport. I made, you know, hey, trading on my phone. It was actually, you know what's crazy is like, I wasn't even really trading candlesticks. I was trading numbers. I know that sounds crazy, but like I would basically put on a trade and then I would just watch the numbers. And I'm not even like trolling right now, but I'm serious. Like no candlesticks, no technical analysis, just simply numbers. So maybe Danny was right. Maybe there is a way to trade with only the numbers. Maybe. I also found my newest trading guru. Check out this guy. This guy has to be my favorite new trading guru. Hold on one second. Just let me show you guys this guy. He has to be the best new trading guru on the internet. He is on another level of happiness.
Every trading guru is flexing their lifestyle, and I'm not different, but I think my lifestyle is the best. I wouldn't trade it for anyone. It's hard to emulate. Like, I mean, why do we get into trading? It's for freedom to do things, not just to own stuff and have money. I mean, that's part of it. But what do you do with the money, right? Now, you can own a penthouse.
I love the fact that he's like, every trading guru is trying to flex their lifestyle. And like, yeah, like I'm doing it as well. But, you know, like it's hard to emulate my lifestyle. And, you know, like trading is not just about money. But like, yeah, I mean, obviously, like we want to make money. But like, it's not just about money. So everything that he said is just like contradicting. So wait, are you like every trading guru? Well, yeah, I'm like every trading guru. So is trading about making money? Well, yeah. So what is the point of this? Tell me more. I want to be told more. More. All right, we're getting a pullback here into open. Yesterday's close down there at the 21,160s. Ooh, buddy. We got plenty of time here. 13 minutes till market opens. Very like tricky chart right now. Could be a lot of chop. We got numbers at 9:45. We've got numbers at 10 o'clock as well. We pushed back up in there. Got stuck pretty much at the overnight highs in this area, that 240, 230 area. Getting stuck there. Pulling back here once again. So, yeah, let's see what happens once we get some actual volume. Market starts opening up. Dude, sit on your cash and be rich. Nah, man. Life's too short. Life's too short to be rich. I want to be poor. Well, I want to spend all my money and then be poor, you know? People are like, what happened, Patrick? I thought you were rich. I'm like, well, I bought everything. I bought everything there. I went to the store and I said, I'll buy everything that you guys have. Everything. I want everything. 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 I want it all. I want everything. There you go. Die broke, baby. That's the way. That is the way. This is the way. This is the way. Dying broke. This is the way. This is the way. All right, ES. Also pulling back there. ES is below yesterday's close right now, 5,860 area. We're getting ready for market open. Nasdaq pulling back here as well, 21,180s so far. And just sitting back here waiting and watching. That's right. Every day, another dollar. Make you holla. Every day. Every day. I'm pumped up. Pumped up, chat. I'm pumped. Who's fired up? You sound like Danny Trades. Oh, well that. Oh, am I stumbling? But you know. God. Does it go down just as fast as it went up? Ooh. $1 million question, huh? $1 million question. All right. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back here. 5-minute chart. Pushed up there to the 228s. Pulled back 170s now. And let's see what happens. That dotted line, obviously, yesterday's close. We'll see what happens once the market opens up here. Again, we've got news today. If you guys haven't already checked it out, pull it up. Check it out every morning. When you wake up in the morning, go to onlyprofitfirms.com, right? Check out the calendar. Check out the calendar. 9:45, we got news. We got news at 10 o'clock as well today. S&P Global PMI flash number at 9:45. We've got 10 o'clock existing home sales as well. And then after that, we really got no news for a while. So just keep that in mind. Could be a kind of a slow rest of the until that May 29th. We got Memorial Day weekend as well. Memorial Day weekend, 3-day weekend. I know I took a vacation and came right back for a 3-day weekend. Crazy. Also, check out onlyprofitfirms.com to get the best deals. Check out the prop firm comparison. You can see what companies have the best deals currently. Like if you look and we see, okay, who's got the best deal? Right now, the My Funded Futures has a deal going on with like free resets, 50% off. Check them out. Funded Futures Network, Tradeify, and My Funded Futures. So My Funded Futures right now has the starter plan. It's only $48 if you're a new customer. If you're a new customer, right? New customers get 50% off. I believe current customers get 30-40% off. So check it out. Use the code PW. Get the best deals always. Always. The best deals forever and ever. Because you are my friend, and we are together forever and ever. Forever. Why does that thing keep going across? I gotta turn that off. Turn it off. I got too much shit on this fucking computer right now. All right, down there to the 170s. Will we get a little bit of support here? Right there at yesterday's close as we go into market open. We got about 8 minutes here. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Please, Patrick, we want a normal stream. No alcohol, no screaming. Hey, LV, this is all I want you to do. I want you to fuck yourself. How about that? Don't ever come to the BDH stream and tell me what you want. You're gonna get what you're gonna get, boy. This ain't no fun. This ain't fucking McDonald's. You don't get it your way. You know, you don't get to fucking walk up in here and tell me how to live my life. God. Patrick, could you please refrain from drinking alcohol and cursing on the live stream, please? Could you please refrain? Could you please refrain? Could you please refrain? Get out of here. Ain't nobody telling me what to do. Ain't nobody telling me. I had a funny story. I had to do, I won't get all into it, but I had a little thing with a lawyer the other day. And the lawyer, I was on a call with a bunch of lawyers. And the lawyer asked me what the BDH stood for. And I had to say, I was like, well, the BDH means Big Dick House. And they all looked at me like I was crazy. And I said, well, you know, it's not literal. Like, it's not a bunch of big dicks in this house, but I just feel like I belong to the BDH, you know? It's part of my life, my brand, my name, you know? So. Chad Cobra looking for a short right now. Wow. Okay. Getting feisty before market opens, huh? We got 5 minutes. How was Iceland? Oh, you already know how Iceland was. Come on. It was the best trip of my life. Good times. No, Iceland was really cool. We stayed at the Blue Lagoon. We had a great time. We had a lot of just good adventures. Me and Victoria, we got away. We checked it out. There's a video link there in the chat if you want to see the actual video from Iceland. It was epic. Good times. Look at the 4-hour candle. Yeah, look at that 4-hour candle. It looks like a big old trap to the downside. We got 35 minutes. How was the food? It was all right. The food was all right. Yeah, I don't know if I'd say it was like, you know, amazing food, but it was cool. It was good. Had some okay food. Iceland food is a little. They don't really have like a lot of like spice. You know, it's not like it's not Miami style. That's for sure. McDonald's. I don't remember seeing one McDonald's actually. We didn't really drive around like where McDonald's was, but I don't remember one. I don't remember seeing one McDonald's. Any nice beaches? Dude, it's cold as fuck. Ain't no, I mean, the beaches are just like lava rocks. Come on now. They don't have MacD. There you go. They do have fucking KFC. That is funny because they had a lot of KFC. Iceland loves KFC, bro. They love that fucking fried chicken. You know? They love that fried chicken. Iceland's be like, Iceland, we like fried chicken. I had a hot dog when I was there. When I had like the famous Iceland hot dogs, which is funny because I asked the local. I was like, why is Iceland famous for hot dogs? But I guess it's because President Reagan went to Iceland back in the day. He ate a hot dog, and then basically was like, oh, it's a good hot dog, and now people love hot dogs there. Were the girls of Iceland pretty? I mean, obviously, you know, Victoria's the prettiest, but yeah, no, there is a lot of tall, blonde, Icelandic women walking around. Definitely. Definitely a lot. I mean, Viking women, you know? Viking women. When are you going to get an Australian to the BDH? Hey, mate. We got to get an Australian from down under. We got to get a down under trader. Down under. Did you watch the Northern Lights? It was never dark when I was there. It never got dark. Literally, the whole entire time, it never got dark. It was sunny the whole entire time. Even at nighttime, midnight, middle of the night, it was sunny out. Is the Nasdaq primed up for a reversal here today? Big sell-off yesterday with the bond news. But is that bond news, is it enough to keep the market down? Right? Like, it's not like the bond news might have caused a bit of a sell-off just when it happened, but is that enough to crash the market? Because now everybody thinks like, hey, Jay Powell is going to have to cut rates sooner than later. So we'll see. When the giveaways will be, we'll have giveaways. We got 50 accounts to give away at 10 o'clock. And then we've got 50 accounts to give away at 10:30. So 10 o'clock and 10:30, we got accounts to give away. It's time. We're getting ready. Market opens here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, chat. 2 minutes. And the big bill passed the House. I did not see the Northern Lights. It has to be dark out to see the Northern Lights. It was never dark in Iceland when I was there. It was sunny the entire time. Like, literally, you're going to bed and it's still sunny out. At midnight, the sun was still out. The sun doesn't set during the summertime in Iceland. It just, like, stays up, basically. Everyone thinking short with the bond sell-off. Wall Street waiting for shorts, then going dump. What? That doesn't make sense. That didn't make no sense. Everybody thinks short, but then the market's going to dump short. So it is going to short or it isn't a short? How was sex in Iceland? It was cold sex. Now we had a good time though. The Blue Lagoon was pretty cool. Just well, I sat in the Blue Lagoon, man, just butt ass naked. I don't know how many people have been to the Blue Lagoon butt ass naked. Only Patrick Wieland. I had my own private lagoon. That's right. Yeah. The suite that I had, the room that I had, we had our own little private lagoon. Private lagoon. All right, let's see if we can make some money here today, boys. We got about 14 seconds here. 14 seconds. It's time to party. Can they squeeze it up? Can they dump it down? We got numbers at 9:45. We got numbers at 10 o'clock as well, so just keep that in mind. Lots of time to make some money. No rush. That dotted line is the previous day close. Previous day closed is a dotted line there. So if we get over that 200 level, we might be able to reach out and push up there to the 250 area. That pivot point right there at the 250s. 250 pivot point. Let's see. Little pushy push. Watching that 21,200 level here. Will we get above it? Right now, you see they're kind of stuck below that 200 level. So they get above that 200 level, it could start squeezing. Watch that 200 break. There's that 200 push. All right, we're above 200 now. Will we continue higher? This little high from earlier there at the 227s. She likes it. She wants it. Oh, she goes for it. Ayo. Nice little breakout there. Through the 200s now. Up there, the 220s. Quick little trade there. Quick little trade. Bang. Bada bang, bang, bang. Bang, bada bang, bang, bang. Bang, bada bang, 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 bang. Bang, bada bang, 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 bang. So far, we're up $3,400 there in the Tradeify live funded account. I got my Apex account to trade here as well. And we'll see what happens. Can we get higher from there? About 20 points off of that 200 break, and then right back down, trapping above there now. The trap. They trapped them above 200s, right back down again. The chop is real. All right, being patient here. We got 9:45 news, 10 o'clock news. If we were going to go, we were going to go. That 200 break probably should have sent us higher, but just got stuck there for now. Could start dumping through that 160s next. After that, I mean, where do we go? Not too good. That 160 break in there. Let's see if we can sell down through here. I'm going to try to trail this down, right? Trail it down here. There's that 140 touch. Let's go. I'm going to trail. If we get through the 140 strong, I want to trail this more. I'm going to trail there now. 146s. Keep that going a little lower. Trailing. We're trailing. We got to break the 130s there next, and then we're going to move it down. All right. Oh, God. Possible reverse off this 30. Let's see. I want to see that break just clean through the 30s, and then I'm moving stop to 30s. So go into the go into the 20s. Okay. Give it a second here. I'm going to go right there to the 34s. Then I'm going to go right there to the 31s now. I'm going to go right there to the 29s. And then I'm going to cover right there. I'll take that for now. What happened to the 15-minute range? Oh, don't worry about it, Junior. Just let me make some money. God. Are you not happy? All right, we're up $10,000 in my Apex account now. Let's go. Still going lower through the 60s. Get a little push back up, maybe. Another little bull flag setup or bear flag setup. Oh, lordy, lordy. Good thing we covered where we did. Hey. Good thing we covered where we did, chat. Look at that thing. Right back up now. Hey, I'm not going to be greedy, right? I'm not going to be greedy, chat. No fucking way. I'll take $10,000. You know, I'll take 10,000. Will you take 10,000? I bet you will. Look at that. Ripping back up here now. What a fucking move. What a motherfucking move, chat. All right, all right. The chop is real. We got 9:45 numbers, by the way, and 10 o'clock numbers here, so just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. The chop. Patrick, the way you trade is insane. Well, you know, hey. It is what it is. I'll keep trading the way I trade. You keep trading the way you trade, baby. Gustavo got long right after I got out of the short. Fuck yeah. I mean, that was you got more of a move than I did. All right, so now what I want to see is either we get back above 21,200. I mean, it's just like it's hard to get short down here again. You know, it was like I took that short there earlier. Now I'm like being patient. Do I get short here again after I already tested that short? Nah. Nah, I don't think so. We'll see. Right now, we're bouncing around there at yesterday's close. So this is getting primed up. Something could happen. We could get this nice little break to the upside here. We got those numbers coming out, 9:45. 9:45 numbers coming out. And then we got 10 o'clock numbers as well. So anything's possible. Crayon Chewer, nice trade, Patrick. You played that perfectly. Well, you know, hey, I don't like to brag, you know. I don't like to brag, but hey. All right, this 5-minute chart, I want to see where this 5-minute candle closes. Right now, we got another big wick. So trouble here for the bulls, getting back above yesterday's close, and then obviously that news coming out next. Hey, Patrick, I know you like to make 20 points on the Nasdaq. What's a good number for the ES? What do you think? I don't know. What's a good number? Probably 5 points. 5 points on the ES is probably similar to 20 points on the Nasdaq. Do you think? What do you think, chat? Yeah, 5. 5 points for the ES is like 20, 30 points for the Nasdaq. Speaking of the ES also below yesterday's close right now. ES popped up. Got stuck, pulled back. We'll see. I mean, I feel like this could rip higher here today, especially with all the news. Yeah, the ES sometimes does not move as fast as the Nasdaq. You're not wrong. All right, so this 5-minute candle, we're closing right here at yesterday's close. So clearly there's something going on with this 150, 160 level. The bears, the bulls battling it out. I think if we get above 200s here, above this wick right here. So you got basically this 5-minute wick, these wicks right there. We get above that, then we're like basically trying to push up into this little area. So that's just kind of what I'm watching right now. I'm not like overly bullish. I'm not overly bearish. Just kind of thinking like, hey, as long as we stay in this area, we'll kind of see what happens. Obviously, if we lose this support, then you got that low down there. So from here to there, from there to there. So right now, just kind of waiting for this range to play out. And then obviously we got the 15-minute range coming up there as well at 9:45 after those numbers. So we got 9:45 numbers, 10 o'clock numbers here today. It is time to go. Somebody said go short because of ICT. Okay, let's see how that works out. Might be time to go long, boys. All in long, if you know what I mean. Hey. People always say that I never explain my trades, but I think we can clearly explain them now. You guys see the yellow lines. Wait to see what happens here. If we get above this 80, 90 level, break through the 200s, push up there to the highs, 250, 260 area there next. So, oh. She's showing some strength here, showing some strength. Boner candle coming. That sounds weird. It sounds weird when you say boner candle coming, but it's happening. There's that push to the 200s now. So much for the ICT short. LOL. LOL. So much. So much. All right, Nasdaq right there at the 200s. Kind of, that's that key level we wanted to see break through the 200s there. The chop is real. This right here is, you got to stay out of this chop, my friends. Stay out of it. We'll see what happens when that 9:45 news comes out. 9:45 news coming up. And again, right back down there, 60 to the 50 level. The chop is real. Both the ES and the Nasdaq just got denied right there at yesterday's close, by the way. So, trouble. Two minutes until the news pops. ES moving down, Nasdaq trying to get through there, but we got to get away from this level. You know, I can't get short right here. No fucking way. No fucking way. If you want to play the better short, you wait for this move down and then the retest, like kind of through here, right? That's the better short. If you short right here, what happens? It goes straight back up. So let's not do that, if you know what I mean. Scott Trades said he's going to have an account just for fading the chat. Scott, you might win an account today. That's right. By the way, we're giving away 100 Apex accounts. 100 accounts. Make sure you sign up. We got the first giveaway at 10 o'clock. We're doing 50 at 10 o'clock, and then we're doing 50 at 10:30. That's right, the biggest, the largest. We're doing it. Any size, by the way. Any fucking size that you want. It don't matter. We got it all! Woo! All right, I'm trying to make some money here, boys. Let's see what happens. Holding up there at the close from yesterday. We've got these numbers coming out in about 5 seconds. Oh, God. Good Lord. The numbers are out. Do the Bears or the Bulls? Who wants to play? Chopping around there. Still at this like 170. Get above that 200 level. See what happens. Doo-doo-doo. All right, whoever gives me $100, I'll give you 5 accounts. I'm gonna start selling the accounts. If I sell 5, I make $500 today, baby. I'm gonna sell all the free accounts that I got. Business, baby. It's called supply and demand. Supply and demand, chat. All right. Well, the news came out. Market wasn't too impacted here. Still just kind of right there below that 200 level, man. For now. Obviously, we got our 15-minute range now set as well. Very just kind of choppy action here so far. I want to see a move, something to happen here. We got to get out of this 15-minute range. Right? Get out of the 15-minute range. We see what happens. Looking, I mean, it looks like a bear flag kind of forming, but it's also just like, look at the ES right now, just kind of chopping here. We're just kind of chopping inside of this like triangle. Nasdaq's holding up there as well. I mean, it's just, it ain't clean, that's for sure. It definitely ain't clean here. It's like, if you look, it's just like, what am I going to do? Again, percolating back up there towards the 80s again. That was my short from earlier, from the 56s down there to the 29s. Like, this could be the long right here. We get above that 80 area, but it's just like we have not broken out of this level, so we could, I don't want to get like chopped up in here. If we're trading bull flags, we're trading momentum, we need momentum, right? We just can't trade every little candle break or break out. Got to wait for that, kind of get through that range, wait for some momentum to come into the market, and then put on a trade, right? So like from the 80s up there to the 200s, it might not be a bad trade, but I just don't want to touch it right here. I don't want to touch it right here. And now that I don't touch it, I'll probably just straight to the moon. And that's why, look at that. See? Chop. 180 chop. We got more news at 10 o'clock. More news at 10 o'clock. Nasdaq just really holding up here. Going nowhere. Ugh, should I just go long? 15 contracts? Long 15? Should I just go long 15? I mean, but it wants to go up. Ah. All right, going sideways. The chop is real. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, let's go. Blow up that like button. We got giveaways. We got money. We got all kinds of fun stuff to do here today. So blow it up, baby. Blow it up. If you want to win, you got to blow up that like button. Uh-oh. Some momentum coming in there. Fucking A. There's that push right through the 180s. That was kind of what I was looking at for that breakout. From the 180s now, up there to the 200s. Oh! 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 Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, she wants to go, boys. Just got to get through this 200 level right there to the opening range high, 220 area. We got a pivot point there at 260s next. How was your holiday in the Blue Lagoon? It was great. Best holiday ever. Oh, she's ripping out. See, like, this is, I hate this kind of shit. The FOMO is real. You know, like, we were sitting there looking at that 180. We're like, oh, let's get long at the 180s here. And then it pushes to the 220s. That's 40 points. I could be done. I could already be out. Damn it, chat. Y'all made me be patient. Why'd y'all make me be patient for? Chat making me be patient. Y'all are bad people. Bad, bad, bad. Bad, bad, bad. Oh! 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 Oh, God. Oh, God, chat. Oh, God. Oh, God. It's just going higher. Okay, now we're breaking the 15-minute range. Focus, people, focus. Let's get a little push and then a pullback. Build, you know, get a little bull flag. Little setup. Man. Come on, come on, come on. Can one man, how does one man do it? I don't even know sometimes. That's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, oh. Oh, God. There's that push. God damn it. It's going. Now we got to be patient. Now we definitely can't just chase this, right? Don't just go chasing a fucking waterfall. Ugh. Somebody said that gold is dropping, so the Nasdaq's going up. No, that's not how it works, numbnuts. The Nasdaq's going up, and that's making gold drop. Come on now. Use your fucking brain. Gold is a hedge. It's not, it doesn't fucking move the market. God. Cannot help people sometimes. Patrick, the reason that the Nasdaq is going up is because gold is going down. No! No, 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 no. That's not how it works. God. I try to help people here, but I can't help everybody, you know? I can't. I literally cannot help everybody. I try. I fucking try, but I can't. I am not a genius, you know? I just can't do every fucking thing in the whole fucking world. There it is. Right up there to the pivot point now. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm gonna kill myself. No, I'm not gonna kill myself, but that was... What a move. Who took that 280 breakout? I blame the chat. Literally the chat. The chat told me, Patrick, don't do it. Don't do it, chat. Look at it. It's just going. I could have got long at the 180s. I could have been out. You know? I could have been out by now. I could have been out. Why'd you not take the long? I was waiting for the 15-minute range breakout. But I did have a long in my personal account going already from the 122s. So I guess it makes it a little easier. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Wow, 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 wow. He's back. All right, we got news coming out here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news. So, I mean, at this point, I guess I'm going to wait till the news. I'll wait for the news. You can see here, this is my Optimus Futures account. I got to change that code thing. But I was long from in my Optimus Futures account there from the 122s. And up there to the 260s. So I'm still long 2 contracts. I got 2 contracts left as a runner to see if we can maybe get some more momentum to the upside. Maybe like up there towards the 300s today. Let's let that ride, you know. We're going to let it ride. All right, we're pushing there, 260s. Need a little bit more pullback. Maybe test. If we tested that 220, kind of like 200 area would be great. Are you trading the 50K accounts? I'm trading the 150K account. And I'm trading a live funded account with Tradeify. And I'm trading a real personal live money account as well. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, blow it up. Let's get 1,000 likes here on the stream. We're back. The BDH never fucking left, boys. I never fucking left. I never fucking left. I'm up $5,000 on 2 contracts right now in my personal account, and it's still going higher. Good Lord. The bulls want to push. Right there at the pivot point now. How many waterfalls did you see in Iceland? Ooh, I don't even remember. I got lost at one point. Almost stuck. We did get stuck. I drove to the top of a mountain. We were in the ice, the melt. Oh my God, it was scary. Victoria was crying. It was gnarly. I was like, holy fuck, we're gonna be stuck here forever. We had no phone service. We were in the middle of fucking nowhere, Iceland. It was wild. Could have died out there. What if I died on the top of a mountain? Oh! The news is out! Let me get it. Get me filled here at the 290s. Come on, push it a little higher, Nasdaq. Push it a little higher, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. Oh, he's filled. He's motherfucking God, I fucking love this shit. I fucking love this shit. Let's go, chat. I fucking love it. I fucking love you. I love everybody. I love everybody. God damn it. It is good to be back. It is fucking good to be back. It's motherfucking good. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be back with you, chat. I'm so fucking happy. God, I fucking live for this shit. If you ain't loving this shit, if you ain't loving it, get the fuck out of here. If you're learning how to day trade from fucking 20-year-old little fucking prepubescent little bitch, get the fuck out of here. If your trading mentor is Tory Trades, get the fuck out of here. I want red-blooded motherfucking man. I want the guys that you be like, give me it rare. Give me it rare. I want it rare. If you order your steak well done, get the fuck out of here. If you order your steak well done, get the fuck out of here. Woo! God. Hey, Kevin Barry. God, does he ever shut the fuck up? Imagine your name being Kevin fucking Barry. Imagine that. Like, imagine how fucking dumb that name is. My name's Kevin Barry. Get the fuck out of here. I got no time for you. I got no time. I am printing fucking money. Money. God, it's good to be back. It's good to be back, boys. We are printing fucking money right now. Money is being printed. If you're not fucking winning with us, what the fuck are you doing? Think about that. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Oh, God. Yeah, let me get some W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's. Breaking it down for you guys. We're up $10,000 in one Apex funded account, right? We've got our Tradeify live funded account up $4,200. I'm up $10,000 in my personal account. I don't even know how much that is. Guys, I didn't go to college. I barely graduated fucking high school. And I'm a goddamn millionaire. Think about that. Think about that. Think about that. What's crazy is that I make more money trading than 99% of the fucking people on this motherfucking planet. Right? That is a motherfucking flex if I ever saw one. Think about it. But think about it, really. Look at this. Ain't nobody doing it like this. Nobody. Nobody. Come on. Your affiliate income. Yeah, the affiliate income. Shut the fuck up. My affiliate income. Who the fuck cares about my affiliate income? Let's talk about how I am continuously the fucking best to ever do it. You know, come on. Come on. Patrick has affiliate income. Patrick has affiliate income. He's affiliate. No. 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 All right. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes on my nuts. I got bitches in the back. I got fucking dollar bills falling from the sky. All right, we got 50 accounts. I'm gonna give away 50 accounts. We gotta get 1,000 fucking likes on this stream first off. How the fuck is there not 1,000 likes? How in the fuck is there not 1,000 likes? Tell me that. Somebody fucking explain that. Explain that. Explain it. Fucking explain it. All right. Here we go. Holy shit.
Thanks, Master PW.
Master PW. All right. Well, let me do it like this. Actually, I'll do it like this. I got the winners. We picked the first 50 winners. If you're in the chat, I want to know. I'm going to put it up on here on the screen. This is fucking, we're giving away 50 accounts right here. That's right, that's right, that's right. God, first day back, already up 30,000 fucking dollars. Come on. I swear to God, I swear to God, I swear to God. All right, there's the first 50 winners. We're going to send you an email. We will send you an email with the code for any size Apex account. That's right, any size, it's yours. 50 first winners right there. Is your name on the chat? Is that anybody in there? Who's on there? Who's on there? We got show. Hey, what the fuck is that name? How the fuck do you pronounce that name? Shashwat Bharti. Shashwat! Where in the fuck is Shashwat at? Is Shashwat here? Literally, where the fuck is Shashwat? That's a sick ass. I want a name like that. Shashwat. All right, we got 50 more accounts to give away. Don't worry. 10:30, we got 50 more coming. We got 50 more. That's right. We got more coming. Don't worry. We got more for you. Let's get focused here. Yeah, look at that. Nasdaq still going higher. Can somebody, hey, guys, seriously though, can somebody call that guy that said it was for sure a short because of the ICT fair value gap? We need to check on that guy. We need to check on that guy. We need to call that guy right now. Somebody find him. Where did he go? Where did the guy go that said it was 100% a short because of the ICT fair value gap? Where is he? Where did he go? Oh man, that was good. I'm telling you, there is no better indicator in the entire fucking world than when somebody in the chat says that 100% the market's going to go down or up. If somebody says the market's going to go down or up 100%, I am telling you right now, that is 100% the best indicator you could ever have. You got to love it. You got to fucking love it, boys. All right. I might be done trading. I feel like I'm all fucking fired up right now. I don't know. Should I trade more? Should I put more money, make more money? $30,000 ain't too bad, right? That ain't too bad for just a nice little easy breezy day. The best part is, look at this. Opening range breakout. Don't tell me, hey guys, if you're new to this channel, guess what? You can check this out. We have a free indicator, the LuxAlgo Orb and Targets indicator. It's free on TradingView. You don't need to pay me. You don't need to buy my course. You don't need to do anything, right? You really don't. You do not need to even fucking, you can just literally get the indicator, fucking trade the 15-minute opening range. It's very simple. It's a very fucking simple strategy. You do not need a fucking fair value gap. You do not need a fucking trend line. Well, wait, you do need a trend line. You don't need shit, pretty much. All right, check it. Check it. What's it all about? Boom. What's it all about? Boom. What do we got? We got this EMA right there. We got this EMA. This is a 9 EMA. We got the 21 EMA. There you go. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. I got over 120 points on one trade this morning. Over 120 points on one fucking, no, hold on. I was long from 122, so that's 180 points. I got 180 points, and I don't even know how to fucking trade. Think about that. Somebody asked me the other day, like, Patrick, did you learn, like, did you go to college for trading? I'm like, what the fuck do I need to go to college for to learn how to trade the 15-minute opening range? Think about that. I'm going to go to college to learn how to fucking trade the 15-minute opening range? Do I look like a fucking retard? Do I? It's simple, people. You don't even need an indicator, by the way. You can get rid of every fucking indicator on the chart. I'll break it down for you really quickly. This is what I do here live every day. You got your 15-minute range candle, the first 15-minute candle of the day. Bam, bam, the highs, the lows. What do we got, right? Very simple. I want to do it one more time just so I get it for you. For everybody, tune in. Stop looking at whatever fucking porn, whatever fucking weird shit you're looking on the internet, and listen to this shit right now. Turn everything else off. If your wife is yelling at you, tell her to get back in the fucking kitchen and make you a sandwich because you're fucking hungry, all right? You just listen, boys. 15-minute opening range. Bam. Bam. There's your 15-minute opening range. It's not fucking rocket science. Don't make it too hard. What's the high of that candle? The high of that candle is 219, 21,219. Bam. What happens? We break to the upside. We get a little bit of a bull flag there, right? Hey, little bull flag. Take the fucking first candle, makes a new high. Bam. There you go. From the 250s now up there to the 324s. All right? Now when your wife, when she comes back from the kitchen and she brings your fucking sandwich, you tell her, hey, bitch, what is this? Is that turkey? Do I look like a bitch? Give me the fucking, the Wagyu. I don't want no fucking sandwich. We're going to fucking the steakhouse for lunch. All right? It's that simple. And by the way, I respect all women. I love women. I'm just kidding. This is all just a joke. By the way, don't fucking get your panties in a bunch. Don't need a bunch of fucking dudes on the internet being like, oh, Patrick said that I should tell my wife to make a sandwich. It's a joke. Relax. God. There's gonna be, what's that group, that movement for the moms of America? Moms of America are gonna start protesting against Patrick Wieland. But hey, you know, to be honest, like, do you want your son to grow up and be a little bitch boy, or do you want your son to grow up and be like PW? I don't know. Two choices in life. Your son can either be a little bitch boy, or he can watch PW and learn how to be a man. You know, learn how to be a man. Be a man. I've given birth to a boy. Well, I didn't do it, but I had a baby. It sounds weird when I say it like that, but I was there. I saw the birth. My son, I'm going to raise that little boy up. He's turning 13 this year. He's going to be down here all summer with me. We're going to Hawaii. We're going fishing. Ooh, it's going to be big. It's going to be big. All right. 21,300. Ooh, I'm fired up right now. This energy drink, I don't even know what this shit is. Ginger bought me some pink energy drink. I'm going to die now because my heart rate's going crazy. I'm sweating right now. Oh, my God. I'm sweating. How was the trip, big dog? Hey, it was good. Good trip. All right, so there we go. Yeah, there's that 15-minute range, the breakout. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got the 15-minute range breakout that pushed up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't know. Is trading supposed to be this easy? Or should it be harder? Should we make trading harder? You know, should we go, learn every little fucking, terminology for ICT and then, go watch Top Step TV and try to figure out how to get fucked in the butt every morning? Should we do that? Like, should that be our goal in life? To be like, let me go watch Top Step TV and figure out how to fucking get fucked every day. It's up to you. However you want to do it. I don't like getting fucked in the butt, honestly. It's just not my favorite. But hey, Dakota clearly likes it. He fucking loves it. The dude is he's up $69 on the day. Fuck yeah, boys. Look at these motherfucking morons. The house account's up $300. Dakota's up $69. This guy's trading a fucking combine. Why do they have people on their fucking live stream trading a combine? Can anybody answer me that? I don't fucking know. What are they doing over there? Just getting fucked in the butt over and over. I ain't about that life, boys. It ain't for me. I ain't about that life. Don't sign me up for none of that. I don't want to do none of that. I got no time for that. No time. All right, I'm all fired up. I'm going to go buy this car really quickly. I don't know why, but I'm in a mood to buy something. They want $189,000. I'll give them $200,000 just because I feel like it. Look at this thing. I'm going to drive this thing around Miami and be all like, look at me. Wee wee. Wee wee. Hi wee. That's a pretty sick looking fucking car. Jason, we're gonna go buy a car. All right, you ready? I've never even seen this car, but I'm gonna go buy it right now. I don't even know how to drive a car, but I'm gonna buy that motherfucker right now. I think it looks pretty. You know, I really just like the pretty lights on it. People like, Patrick, why'd you buy that car? I'm like, it's got pretty lights. Look at those pretty lights on it. Pretty lights. They got pretty lights. Pretty lights. It is a manual. It's a manual. Don't worry. I know how to drive manual. I'm good. Yeah, it's a Beetle. Volkswagen Beetle. Look at my Volkswagen Beetle, everybody. I'm gonna get my Volkswagen Beetle. Get a McLaren. I've already got a McLaren. What are you talking about? Look, I already got one. 765. What other McLaren, you know, other than a fucking Senna or a P1, what's a better McLaren than that? Name one. I dare you. Name another McLaren that's better than this one. Name one. Look, it's got a hood. Whee! Oh, wee! It's waving at you. It's waving at you. What's up with Tradeify doing a live stream now? I don't fucking know. Why do retards want to fuck? You know, it don't make sense. None of it makes sense. I make Tradeify so much fucking money already by promoting them on my live stream, so they're going to start another live stream to compete with me? You know? Like, what the fuck? Why? You know? Why? Why would you create another live stream to compete with the biggest and largest? It makes no fucking sense. That would literally be like, hey, there's a little tiny hole, right? Or like there's a square hole, and then let me put a fucking circle in it. Or wait, does a circle go in a square hole? I'm confused. I think it does actually. Damn it, I'm a retard. But literally, think about it, right? That would be like trying to put a circle in a triangle. You know? It's all good. Let them do what they're doing. I ain't worried about it. We still the biggest. We still the largest. It was their first day streaming and they couldn't even break 2,000 views. So, hey, whatever, you know, whatever works for you. Check out Take Profit Trader. You know, hey, Take Profit Trader down there. Patrick's Tradeify payout denied. Trust me, they would never do that. That would be bad business. You do not want to make an enemy of PW. It's been proven. Name one time I've lost, you know? Name one time that PW has lost in battle. Name one time. It never happened. Exactly. All right, we got another 50 accounts to give away here at 10:30, so stay tuned. We got another 50 coming. Everybody. Don't make me call Danny Trades. Call him. I beat Danny Trades into the ground. I beat Danny Trades so badly that he had to literally stop. He had to leave his own prop firm, and then his dad had to come run it for him. You know, like, think about that. You know, like, Danny Trades literally had to quit his own prop firm, and then his dad took it over because of me. Because of me. Oh man. Amazing. And then you know actually is my favorite thing ever. You know what my favorite thing ever right now is? The fact that all of the Top Step affiliates that left Top Step are now all promoting Apex and promoting all the same prop firms that I've been promoting for like over a year now. So I think it's hilarious. You know, I think it's fucking hilarious because all the Top Step affiliates talk so much shit about me. I like remember when everybody was talking shit about me? Oh, Patrick Wieland, he'll just promote any prop firm. Patrick Wieland will just promote every prop firm that pays him. And now every single Top Step affiliate is now promoting every. Oh God, it's amazing. Hey, I'm all about it, man. Make that money, but you know, don't talk shit and then come do what I did. You know, don't talk shit and then try to become. Don't do what I did. You know. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. I think I'm done trading, but let's break it down. Is there a setup here? Do we have another setup coming? We're right here at this pivot point. It's kind of looking a little scary, like on this pullback right here, but Kind of could pull back. This is like that head and shoulders, maybe like a type setup. If it could be kind of a pullback, chop around some more. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Will you bring Tori to the BDH? I wouldn't bring Tori to the fucking BDH if she paid me. Literally, Tori Trades is literally the fucking biggest joke in the entire fucking industry. And the fact that any fucking man, anybody with a pair of fucking nuts, pays money to learn how to day trade from a fucking little influencing girl. Come on, people. Like, I mean, I might be an asshole, but like, that's just fucked up. Like, how fucking retarded are you? Are you a man? Do you have a pair of nuts? Do you have a vagina? Do you ask me, like, do you have a vagina or do you have a pair of nuts? Which one do you have? If you buy Tori Trades course, you're literally admitting that you're a bitch. That's what you're admitting. I'm going to pay $4,000 to learn how to trade from fucking Tori Trades. Like, yeah, tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded. Please, tell me. Somebody tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. $4,000 to learn how to trade fucking trend lines. Are you fucking stupid? You know? Come on. Come on. Like, tell me you're stupid without telling me you're stupid. Yeah, tell me you're stupid without telling me you're stupid. Oh. Grant said he's retarded and he still wouldn't do that. Well, you know, there's different types. There's different levels of retarded. Like, obviously, I'm retarded, right? Like, there's no doubt in my mind. Like, I obviously have some type of disability. Like, look at my head. It's huge. I'm clearly on the spectrum. But, like, I would never be retarded enough to buy Tori Trades course, you know? You know what I mean? Like, come on now. No, I mean, hey, I definitely think I'm on the spectrum in some level. You know? No doubt in my mind. But that's just being honest with myself. You know, I'd be like, hey, yeah, I mean, you know? Why y'all want TJR? Definitely not TJR. TJR couldn't trade himself out of a paper bag. No, we actually do have a guest next week. A guy, let me see, on the calendar here. Yeah, Justin Allen. He's flying in from Arizona. Justin's flying in from Arizona. How many payouts did he have? Said Victoria. Ginger? Yeah, so next week we have a guest. He's coming to BDH. He's got over $175,000 in payouts. He showed us the proof of it. So he's going to come next week and do some trading here. But, yeah, man, I don't know. Just chilling. You know? Nafton Calder said, that I'm retarded and I tried trend lines. Did not last long. Well, it happens. It happens. All right, we still got another 50 accounts to give away here at 10:30. Stay tuned. That's right, 50 more accounts. If you've not signed up yet, you got a little bit more time to do it. OnlyPropFirms.com. Head on over there. Check out the comparison chart. Use the code PW. Get the best deals. Always the giveaway page. You got a little bit of time here to sign up. You're going to get a code in the email. We're going to send out emails to everybody. Emails to everybody with the code here very soon. So, damn it, now I gotta go buy a new car. It's so pretty though. I think it's nice. I like it. All right, so after the stream, everybody who wins will get an email from OnlyPropFirms.com. Make sure you check your spam. OnlyPropFirms will be sending you an email with the code for that. So. All right, little pullback here. 5-minute chart, kind of pulling back into that EMA. We're right there at that pivot point. If we can stay above that 280 pivot point area, maybe then we could push up here. But right now, just kind of let the market pull back, do what it's going to do. We pushed up there to like 330, 360 area. That was yesterday, that big drop candle from the news with the bond auction. So we'll see which way she goes. Kind of just like no reason to really do anything right here. Like, see how this is like just kind of pulling back right here? Let it pull back. If anything, there might be a short opportunity. If we push back up into this like 260, 270 area, maybe there's a short opportunity. But right now, just being patient. I'm done for the day trading, by the way. So just hanging out with you guys, see if there's another trade set up. But it kind of works out with like a head and shoulders, right? There's the top of that opening range high. We got this shoulder, the head, the shoulder, and then that could move down. So I'll tell you one thing. I would not be fucking shorting right at the opening range high right there. This is, you know, it loves to kind of bounce off that first opening range breakout. So let's see what happens there. Obviously, anything's possible, but as a trader, all we're really looking for is we're looking for things that we see happen, you know, consistently, right? We're looking for an edge. What's an edge? You know, my edge is basically, what have I seen happen multiple times, you know, hundreds of times. As a trader for the last 8 years, what do I see happen a lot? Well, I see we pull back into that opening range, we bounce. So do I want to short right at the opening range high? No, I do not. So now it's like, okay, let this bounce, let this push back up. If it gets denied here and then retest, that's kind of my setup. I want to be shorting here and at that level. So look at that. I mean, there's 18 to the 40s. That's about a 30-point little pop off of the opening range high. And there you go. Carl Roy got his 150K account from Apex. Let's go. Let's go. So, we got about 6 minutes here till the next giveaway of 50 accounts. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up.
Clear, Baron, when you
Oh, dude, how sick. The guy trading on Top Step TV is trading his combine. He's up $3,000. Trading his combine up $3,000. How awesome. So awesome. Top Step's long from 5.885, 58.58 on the ES right now. LOL. They must be watching my stream trying to get that opening range break. But yeah, these guys, it's literally a fucking clown show every fucking day with these idiots. Every fucking day, clown show. Every day. Clown show. Fucking clown show, man. Clown show. Absolutely. Clown show. All right, Nasdaq, it's kind of chopping around here at the opening range high now. We went red, red, red. Look at this 2-minute candle. It's just red, red, red. I'll tell you one thing. Something to think about. If we're like red, 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 you know, at some point, like I want to be looking for some type of like green candle to push back up and then kind of look for that continuation. It's just hard to get short when it's just red, red, red. You know? And the thing is, like, we had that little like wicks. You know, I like, because here's a great example, right? Look at this breakout, right? We had big green candle. We had a little red candle, right? So that's showing us, hey, yeah, we had a little pullback. It happens. It's normal, right? But look what happens right after that red candle. Bam, there's that breakout. So it kind of works both ways, right? If I'm looking for a pullback, obviously I want to see a little bit of a red candle, some type of, you know, setup there. So we are now Just sitting back here, waiting and watching. We'll be back tomorrow morning for Fetch Cash Friday. That's right. You know how we do it. Fresh Cash Friday. Look at the chart here. Let's look at the chart. Let's see what's going on with the weekly candle. That weekly candle last week obviously had a big old boner candle to the upside. We could kind of consolidate in this range here, you know, kind of build out a bull flag maybe on the weekly chart. Look at the daily chart here. It's kind of consolidating now, right? Consolidating here, chopping around, building out some bull flag. All it takes is basically, you know, Jerome Powell cutting rates. And then I think we go 22,500 really quickly there. If that new bill passes, market definitely goes up. So, Nasdaq still just kind of bouncing there, opening range high. No reason to be short. No reason to be short here until you have a reason. No reason to be short until you have a reason to be short, you know? The way I look at it. Little pop back up there off the opening range high. Look at that. Jerome Powell did not raise rates. Yes, the first bill, the bill passed the House. Now it goes to the Senate, obviously. But look how the opening range right now, the high is turning into support there. Push us right back up, little 30 points back up there to the 250s. So. A little bit of trouble there at the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. We got that pivot point there. So I would say basically like this, right? If we can get back above that pivot, turn that pivot into support, then you can target kind of the high of day from earlier. But when I say this things, like I'm not saying like, hey, just get long, right? We're saying, what do we want to see? Like we want to see that we get back above these EMAs, we get back above that pivot. Because this kind of right now could play out again, you know, like as a big head and shoulders type move back down. So there's things, right? I'm looking for things to happen before taking trades. I'm not just like, oh my God, let me get long, let me get short. No, I'm waiting. I see a setup and then I take a trade. PW, do we trade on Monday? Probably not. It's Memorial Day weekend, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but probably won't trade on Monday, to be honest. EMA is on the chart. 9 EMA, 21 EMA. Very simple. 21 EMA, the red line. The other line, 9 EMA. All right, 10:30 here. Let me check my email to see if I got the total list of winners. Another 100 accounts. Ooh, buddy. Who's giving away 100 accounts? Nobody. Nobody. All right. Let me know. Is your name on the chart? Are you on the chart? We got Cesar Aloisi. We got John Markland, Kyle, Marcus, Alex, Diego, Francis, Tyler, Herman, Matt, Nathan Moffitt. I think Nathan's always winning shit. We got Jesse, Michelle, Ryan Wolf. Let's go. And all the boys making some money. Nasdaq showing some strength here again. Got a buyer at the 48s trying to hold this up. 28 contracts sitting on the book right now at the 240s. Don't worry if you did not win today. Don't worry. It's all good. We got more giveaways coming this week. Always got stuff going on. Be happy for the people that won, you know? Be happy for the people that won. Nathan Moffitt, yes. I think was the winner, one of the winners, right? Yeah, Nathan Moffitt. Winner, chicken dinner. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We'll see if this is going to turn into a big head and shoulders. Will this be a bear flag or is this going to be a higher low? That pivot point right there, 260 is holding us down for now. There's a link in the chat. Look at the link, guys. Link in the chat. At the top of the chat, there's a link. You can sign up. We do giveaways all the time here on the channel. All right, we're stuck there at that EMA on the 1 minute chart. Uh-oh. Trouble, trouble. Now, if we break to the upside here, that would invalidate this kind of bear flag, obviously. But right now, could start moving back down here. The ES and the Nasdaq looking very similar. Look at the ES right now. Below yesterday's close as well. ES a little weaker. Hey, I can't give everybody free stuff, you know. I try. 100 accounts is way more than most people give away, so give me some love, chat. Come on. Trouble here. Trouble, trouble. Right there at the opening range high. There's the ES, the Nasdaq. Pulling down. Hey, you know, the best part is if you don't win a free account, you just watch this live stream long enough, you're going to make some money. You know? You're going to make some fucking money, boys. Just keep showing up, you know? Keep showing up. All right, we're still holding up there. Opening range high, kind of playing as support right now. Nice little push back up through the 250s again. If they can get it going through that pivot point there, we'll see if, you know, where it could go from there. There's a seller at like the 58, 60s. And there it is, up there to the 260s now. I took a quick little trade there. Just kind of seeing that idea of this breaking out just to get to there. We're up $5,000 in my Tradeify live funded account here today. And I think I'm going to walk away. I saw that that pivot point was right there. And you got to be a little careful with that pivot point there. So, hey, you know, hey, it is what it is. Make a little bit of money. And that's exactly, like, you can see why I got out where I got out. Right there at that pivot point once again acting as resistance. I was not going to be greedy. Give me 10 points. Let me get it. Now, we got a big seller at 240. 55 contracts at 240. They're battling here. They want to break this to the downside, it kind of looks like. But that opening range high acting as support for now. The pivot points that I use are pivot point standard. Pivot point standard. Oh, so. Can this also be a bearish flag? Well, it is a bearish flag right now. But if it breaks out up here, like through this level and then pulls back, that would invalidate it, obviously. It's a bear flag, but we've got that support right there, the opening range high. So, hey, not a bad way to start out. Not a bad way. First day back. We're up $30,000 on the day. First day back, baby. I went on vacation. I come back, and I'm still winning. Still fucking winning. Pop me. She's bold. All right. Hey, tomorrow morning, we'll be back live. Fresh Cash Friday. And we'll be doing it live right here from the BDH. Like always, let's make more money. You know, let's make more money. I want to make all the money. Hey, again, big thank you guys for tuning in. There's that kind of breakdown there. That bear flag, I think this could send us lower now. If we lose this, we're right back down into there. The ES is already moving. ES is already going. Trying to go. But again, look at that 15-minute range high holding up there for now. Ooh. What time is it? 10:30? I don't know. It does not look good. It's hard to say that the bulls are in control here because they're clearly not. Getting stuck there, that pivot, back down. So that bear flag trying to play out there. I'm going to walk away. I feel like it could be a nice little dump straight back down there to the 150, 160 area. But I also feel like, hey, it might chop around here some more. You know, this market has just been absolutely it loves to do some fake outs these days, you know. So I like to hit it when I can. I like to quit it when I can't. Or I like to hit it and then I like to quit it. Either way. So there it is. What's the tat on your leg? It's a knife. You can't really see it there, but that's a pig. That's a pig jaw, like a wild boar. Can you see it? Without the blue light? I don't know. I got the blue, and then I got a knife. I got a big old knife on my leg. Can't really see it with the light, but it's there. I basically have like the bottom jaw. Basically have like the bottom jaw of a boar, and then I have a big knife right here. You know, it's America, baby. Country boy. There's a break to the downside. Nasdaq trying to move. Bear flag playing out there through the 200s now. What's the inspiration? So when I was a kid, I got bit. I know it sounds crazy, but I got bit by a boar. And I do have proof of it. I actually did get bit. Can't really see it here, but like basically I have a scar right here. This is a scar. I got bit by a wild boar. I swear to God, it sounds crazy, but I almost died. Almost killed by a wild boar. So obviously the tattoo is kind of a story to that. So boars and pigs can eat things. So there it is. Nasdaq just kind of chopping around here. It's always so hard, man, to like walk away, you know? If I'd have a lot more money if I just walked away every day. Because now what happens is I turn the live stream off, I go to lunch, I come back, and then I'm like, oh, let me take another trade. Let me take another trade. So, it's okay, kind of just chopping around there. So, you gotta know when to hold them, when to fold them. There's that opening range acting as support there. Little kind of failed break to the downside. This could start to get the longs to come in here, right? You got some liquidity. You ran those stops. Everybody that was shorting right here, if this starts to push back up into here, kind of run stops and then kind of push from there. So, look at the bigger picture as well. You got to look at that bigger picture. Look at the 15-minute chart. It's like, hey, 15-minute chart don't look, it don't look terribly, it don't look terribly bad. So, just putting that out there, hey, look at that. It's going right back up now. They did play everybody right there. They definitely trapped. They're trapping bears 100%. Even if this like pushes up into here and then pulls back again, that's what they're doing. They're just running stops. Everybody that's shorted here, they're fucked now. Because you know those idiots be like, as soon as this bear flag fucking happens, it breaks the downside, and then guess what? Everyone's like, okay, I'm getting short. They get short right there. They get short right there. And also, you know what people love to do? I don't know why they do this, but this is, I will tell you, a secret. This is a secret no one tells anybody, right? Don't do this shit, right? Just because we break this low does not mean you should short right here. That I see that happen so many times where traders will be like, oh, look at this low. Look at that low right there. If we break that low, I'm going to short. And what do? They short at the fucking low, they trap, and then they squeeze it right back up. Don't do that, chat. Don't fucking do that shit. It's classic. I mean, that is a classic fucking trap. You know? So, Michael Grant, you did not miss it, but there's the second giveaway right there. Anybody in the chat, your name's on there. Congratulations. We gave away 100. That's right, 100 Apex accounts, all sizes. But, yes. Yeah, look at that. Squeezing back up here now. I mean, it's got legs, it looks like. It's just hilarious because, what did the market do? It trapped, right? It fucking trapped everybody. All the idiots that were shorting for that break, they shorted here, and now they're fucked. You know? It's just classic. That's some classic amateur shit right there. Don't do it. Don't be that guy. Here's a good example. Don't be looking at this 1 minute chart and being like, okay, if we break this low, I'm going to short. Because what happens? You short here, it squeezes back up, and then it goes lower. Don't do it. Look at the bigger time frame. What I always like to do is kind of like look at the 5 minute chart. All right, look at the 5 minute chart. Are you going to short? You know, are you going to fucking short right here on the 5 minute chart? Nope. You're not. And look at that. God. I love when we talk about stuff and then it literally happens. Exactly like that. Look at that. God. It's mad. It's comedy, right? The market it's going to trap. Every single move basically always happens after a trap. It doesn't matter what you believe. It doesn't matter what your strategy is. It doesn't matter. You know, it just don't matter. It just simple. It's like, hey, what is the trap and what is happening? Well, this little trap this morning kind of broke, kind of trapping people thinking they're going to get shorts to get this move down. And then we get the squeeze. We get up to the top here. Kind of people thinking we're going to go higher. We fucking pull right back. We little trap. This is like almost like a little trap right here as well. That little candle, that little breakout. See how we kind of broke out right above like these candles? We pulled right back in there. They love to do that shit. The market loves to take out stops. It's not your stops. It's everybody's stops. And it's not personal. The market's not targeting you. It's not targeting anybody. The market, people know that it's human like interaction with the market because people put their stops at the highs and the lows, or they short, or they go long, or they go, you know what I mean? Everybody that tried to buy this little breakout back through this high, they got dumped on again. The trap is real. So now we're just chopping around here. So good thing I walked away when I did. Or, well, good thing I'm going to walk away. I'm going to walk away. I'm getting out of here. But yeah, that's it, man. If you can't spot the trap, if there is no trap, then you're probably getting trapped. If that makes sense, right? Like that's just kind of how it goes. So no matter what trade you take, no matter if you're going to, whatever time frame you trade on, look for the trap. Look for something that's like, ooh, you know, be like, ooh, look at that. Like you kind of like, you see the trap happen and then you're like, oh, that was the trap, right? Like that was the trap. Yeah, we're retesting the 15-minute opening range. I mean, this 15-minute chart is still very bullish. It is, right? It's still very bullish here. Why? Well, because you got the fucking Fibonacci traders type bullshit. All right, what are they doing? The Fib traders, they're buying this fucking pullback. They love this pullback into that golden pocket area, right? Like they're like, hey, I'm going to buy this motherfucker up. You know, they love it. They do. I don't care what anyone says, but they love it. If this 15-minute candle can get above that 260, I mean, then we're going higher. The 4-hour looks bearish. Let me look. I mean, 4 hours looks kind of choppy right now. I think even if we're like, we got to kind of, what's today? Thursday? So Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. It's kind of like that big drop yesterday. You know, if the market moves in waves, right? Every big drop is normally followed by some type of pushback up. So that's, even if we're bearish here, it's like it kind of wants to, remember, the market moves in waves. If it's going up, it's moving in waves. If it's moving down, it's moving in waves. It's not just like, you know, hey, here's the open. Market goes, right there, and then just stops. That's just not how it works. It's going to move in waves to get there. The waves are real. So, there it is. I'm happy. I'm going to walk away. We're green. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button. Just kind of good day for us. Nice and easy. Nothing crazy. We had that kind of set up at open, the 15-minute range breakout. We were patient. We got the move. We took the money. We make the money. And then now we go on and we live our lives. But yes, if you truly believe that the market moves in waves, it'll save you so much time, so much effort, and all that. Look at the bigger time frame. Like, where are we at in this wave right now? Well, it's kind of like, you know, it could be like that. Does that mean we can't pull back? No. But it's like, do I want to short right here after we just kind of did what? We kind of pulled back here. You know, we could go lower, but like this is the bottom of this wave right now. There's a better chance that we push up than pull back from there. You know? Better chance of a pull. And that's the thing too, is like, even if the market goes down from here, that's okay. If you don't take a short and you're patient and you wait for a better setup, that's okay. Remember, not taking a trade is a trade, right? If you don't have a good setup and you don't take a trade, you're not losing money, right? So at the end of the day, if you're walking away with more money than you had yesterday, then you're winning, right? Then you're winning. That's trading. Trading is not like, oh man, I made 1,000 trades a day and I'm the best trader. No, did you make more money than you had yesterday? If your account balance has more money today than yesterday, you are winning. Boom. That's simple. So, could it pull back? I see people in the chat said that it's going to pull back. Hey, maybe, I don't know. But I don't want to sit here and fucking try to find out. You know? Finding out, fucking around. There you go, Bruce Selby in the chat. Winning is following your trading plan. 100%. That's it right there. Did you follow the plan? Did you make money? Did you get stopped out? Whatever it is. Hey, also remember, getting stopped out on a trade is not a bad thing. It just means that, hey, that setup, that time, it didn't work out. If I have a 70% win-loss ratio, what does that mean? Right? It means 30% of the time, I'm going to enter a trade and then I'm going to get stopped out. Right? That's what that means. So why would I be mad if I get stopped out? I'm following my plan. I have an edge. You know? What's my recommended points for stop loss? That's really, I can't really say. There's not like a perfect scenario. It really comes down to the setup, right? If I know that there's a potential to make 50 points on a trade, well, then I might risk 30 points. I might risk 20 points. If I know that I'm only going for a 10-point trade, well, I'm definitely not going to risk more than 10 points. It really comes down to risk reward, and it comes down to the setup. So it's like from here, you know, if we break out, if we went up from here, well, where's my, you know, let's say we break through the 280s. Not that I'm saying it's going to happen, but let's say we break through the 280s, I get long. Where's my stop? I'm like, okay, I'm targeting that 330s. That's 50 points to the upside. So I'm like, okay, I can kind of risk off this low. Yeah, that's a pretty big risk, but like I can risk basically like whatever that kind of low is. Like let's say we kind of push up here. we pull here, like that's kind of like I'm risking there. So Nomadic Warren said the best thing he ever did was buy a 50K eval, trade 1 micro, and not look at his P&L. Now he's trading 5 micros. Hey, that's awesome. When you're first starting out, the best thing to do is do not focus on your P&L. Do not try to get rich. Just focus on the trades, right? Build up that muscle memory. See those setups. Like right now, you know, be like, hey, I've seen this before where we consolidate at that opening range high and then we rip to the upside, right? I've seen this before. I've seen it before. I've seen this setup. So now I'm like being patient and I'm waiting. The great thing about this is like, hey, if we break to the upside, guess what? There's still plenty of room because what? We can make a new high of day. High of day puts us higher, you know, 21,450s. There's a lot of room to the upside if we go that way. If we pull back from here and we go lower, that's fine too. But I don't want to get short right here because what? We're right there into the middle of that 15-minute range again. And it's just not, the risk reward is not there for me. So I'm trying to help people. It's free. I don't charge for these live streams. And everybody always wants to talk shit about how I never bring value to my followers because all I do is yell and scream. But if you truly watch this live stream, if you truly do, and you tune in every day, you're going to learn something. You will. You know, I know there's a lot of theatrics and there's entertainment purposes, but at the end of the day, what we're doing is real. We're trading, we're making money, we're being patient, and that's what it's all about. So there it is. I'm going to lock it down. I'm going to walk away, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning for Friday, Fresh Cash Friday. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Someone said he's here for theatrics. Hey, I'll do it, you know. So someone said they tried to take 10-point stop loss and take profit today and got melted. Well, sounds like you entered and exited, or you entered at the wrong spot. Just because you can't just enter a trade and be like, okay, 10-point stop, 10-point target. You know, like, okay, don't do it. All right, we're rolling off through that opening range high, back down there. It's a hard spot. It's a hard spot here. It could start to just melt down. It could. But it's also like we know that we're kind of in that demand zone. We're in a demand zone here, right? There's obviously demand. Again, those Fibonacci traders, they love this kind of shit. They like buying that dip there. Still overall, just kind of a bullish pullback. If we lose, obviously, the opening range, middle of the opening range, get through yesterday's close, we could start to melt down. It's part of it. But also, hey, Tory Trades would tell you that this is a 3-point touch. 3-point touch! You know? 3-point touch. This is a 3-point touch, everybody. Look, 3 points. Go long now. Pay me $4,000 now, you motherfuckers. Pay me $4,000 right now. 3-point touch. I'm kidding, by the way. I'm kidding. I'm literally being sarcastic, by the way. I'm being sarcastic. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm going to walk away. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good day. Good day to be back. I'm excited to be back. I'm ready to make some money. We got some big stuff coming here at the BDH the next couple months. It's going to be big, big, big. Peace to the Middle East.
Pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, 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 up.